video picture.
I think we should take a video of him. Hi, Alexander. How are you? He was just looking at a mirror, so let's see if we can do this. Can you look at that mirror? And he was talking and talking and talking. You talking and talking and talking? You talking and talking and talking? Here's Morel. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. Yeah, what are you talking about, little man? What are you talking about? Huh? What are you talking about? Hey, Morel, what do you have for him?
Well, I made this bracelet out of one little pipe cleaner, and it was really good. I thought it'd be so good for him.
Oh, here I'm gonna.
Put around his ears.
Oh.
To put around his eyes.
Oh, that might poke his eye. I might be a little careful.